Hello guys, you use smartphone LG Q6 Plus. Start unpacking. Open box. Device in the black color. And now look complementation. In complementation we have quick guide and guarantee papers, adapter for charging, and micro USB cable for charging and connecting to computer. Okay. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic and metal. On the front side we have 5.5-inch display, dual speaker, sensors and front camera. On the left side are wall case, 2 SIM slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key, upside without controls, downside we have headphone jack, micro USB port and microphone. On the back side camera and camera LED and speaker. Okay, turn on device, open settings, look Android version. Version Android 7.1.1, close settings and talk about system information. Open Geekbench 4. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 435, this is octa-core processor, 4 cores plus 4 cores. First 4 cores work on CPU, first 4 cores CPU speed 1.1 GHz, second 4 cores CPU speed 1.4 GHz. GPU Adreno 505, RAM memory 4 GB, Intel memory 64 GB. So look, history, CPU speed, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close Geekbench 4 and talk and look Antutu test, Antutu score, screen test, multi-touch test, device support 10 touches, very good. Close this and start the minded game, Guitar San Andreas. Look how guitar works on the device. Display setup medium. On the high graphic, on the maximum graphic level, game Little Bad Legs. We can play on medium level. On the medium level, game works perfect. Let's see this. Game load. This is default medium level and game work very good. Oops. Okay, Guitar San Andreas works good on the medium level. Another game works only medium level, Mortal Kombat X on the high graphic level. Legs, most Infamous Most Wanted works good, Assassin's Creed Identity works only medium level. Okay, go next test, camera test. Main camera 13 megapixels, front camera 5 megapixels, and now I show you photos on main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.